Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nwosuellah, and yeah, for this video I'll be telling you guys how to make use of the new YouTube feature timestamp to increase your retention rate, because it will really help you to increase your retention rate. Okay, so basically this new YouTube feature helps you to divide your videos in sections, in the sense that it will tell your viewers where your intro starts from and when your video actually starts from. For instance, if you have a video put out about 5 tips to help your hair grow, and then of course you first start from your intro, so YouTube will cut it out for you. It would basically just look something like this. So this way your viewers actually know where your first tip starts from, where your second starts from, and then your third. So it helps them to select what part of your video they actually want to watch and they're actually interested in, because sometimes your first tip might be something that they all know, or something that we all know, maybe wash your hair every day, like something we all know, and then your second tip might be something they also know. So they're just going to skip to the part where they actually want, because they know where the tip that you're looking for actually starts from, and they are willing to listen to your explanation from that part. Okay, I know what you guys are thinking. If you can skip through the video, you would actually not be gaining watch hours and everything. But think about it this way: if someone clicks on your video and then you start giving them an advice that they do not want to hear, or they feel like they already know about it, they're going to click out of your video, thereby you're losing watch hours. But then if with the timestamp, they can actually see the rest of your videos. They can say, okay, I'm actually interested in this tip, and then they'll just go right there and watch from there to the end, because they are interested in your video from that very end, unlike before. So now I know what you're thinking: how do I add this timestamp on my video, or how do I divide it? What you need to do is just go into the description of your video. You could add this anywhere, at the very beginning, at the very end, in the middle, anywhere. But what you're going to do is you're just going to do something like this. Okay, so basically how this works is, when you're like in your description box, maybe writing whatever you want to write down there, you could just include your timestamp anywhere. You could be at the very beginning, the middle, or the very end of your description box. You just want to make sure that you have it and you start from 00, because you have to start from there before this timestamp would actually work. Yeah, so you have to start from 00, and 00 is usually your intro, so you just have to start from there. And then whatever your video is about, if it's a vlog video, you just have to divide it in sections to tell them, okay, this is where I ate, and this is where I went dancing, or this is where you just have to divide your videos in sections in case. So what you do is, as I said earlier, you start from 00, and then you add intro, and then the next part is maybe your first tip, which is maybe cream your hair daily, and then you go to first tip. Let me tell you what you want to do. You want to give it a title like washing of the hair. Okay, maybe first tip, washing of the hair. You do not want to just give it a title like part 1, part 2, part 3, because people actually do not know what the part 1 is, or the part 2 is, or the part 3 is. So it actually defeats the purpose of the timestamp. It just defeats the purpose of the timestamp. You want to start from intro, and then you move on to what your video is about. Maybe the video is about how to gain followers on Instagram, and then the first one you're going to be like, be active on Instagram. So you have to put it there, be active on Instagram, and not just be like first tip, second tip, third tip, because at the end of the day, people are clicking on your video and they're still not knowing what the video is about. So they still do not know if they should be in your video to watch. They do not know if you're going to give them what they are willing to hear or what they want to hear. But if you put it out down, like the mini subtopics of your videos, actually they know what to expect. They know, okay, this is what's going to happen here, and then you can just like go right there and watch it rather than clicking out of your video. So this is how this really helps to boost up your retention rates. Yeah, and I was really excited when I heard about this new feature, and I started using it on my videos immediately, because yikes, I was just really excited. So now that you know what timestamps are and how to add your timestamps and the most effective way to add your timestamps, I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I am on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I feel like I've been on this road for the longest. So please help me and subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful in any way. Okay, this is what I'm going to name my timestamp. First one is going to be intro, which is 00. The second one is going to be what is timestamp, which is maybe probably 2 minutes or whatever. And then the second one is going to be how to add timestamp, or how to use timestamp, or effective ways, or how to an effective way to use timestamp, because I kind of like just mixed up the two info together. I didn't really separate it, but if I had separated it the way I separated the meaning of timestamp from how to add timestamp, then it would have been a lot better. So you should probably use this feature in your videos, and comment down if this video was helpful in any way, because I really like to know that I am helping people. Yeah. And also make sure you check out the rest of my videos. I do tutorial videos, I do entertaining videos like vlogs and challenges, and also I do trends. I post trends every once in a while, trending things that are happening in the world or in Nigeria, where I'm currently based. Yeah, so please do not forget to subscribe again if you haven't. Make sure you like this video, and yeah, see you in my next video. I hope you stick around. Bye.